a very important topic, square root of a complex number. Now, how to find square root of a complex number? Let's go step by step. Now, let x plus iota y be a square root of a plus iota b, where a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0 and a comma b belongs to real number. Okay. So, now we have written x plus iota y be a square root of a plus iota b. So, we are having now square root of a plus iota b is equal to x plus iota y, where x comma y belongs to R. Now, squaring both sides, now what we are getting? A plus iota b is equal to x plus iota y whole square, squaring both sides. Now, a plus iota b is equal to x square minus y square plus 2xy iota, and comparing, we are getting a is equal to x square minus y square and b is equal to 2xy. Okay. So, now I am just writing a formula. We are having one thing, that is a x square minus y square is equal to a. Now, what we want to solve an equation, we want x square plus y square, what it can be. Now, we can write it x square plus y square whole square is equal to x square minus y square, x square plus y square whole square, it is equal to x square minus y square whole square plus 4x square y square. Now, x square minus y square is what? It is a. So, to this we can write it a square plus, and b is what? 2xy. So, this becomes b square. Now, b square is equal to 4x square y square. Now, since x comma y belongs to R, hence we can take it x square plus y square is a positive value. Now, we are having x square plus y square is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Let it be 1. Now, from where we are getting this one? From this part. X square plus y square whole square is what? A square plus b square. Okay. I can just write it again. X square plus y square whole square is equal to a square plus b square, and x square plus y square becomes now square root of a square plus b square. Why negative I have not written? Because I have mentioned this thing here. Is it clear? And x square, sorry, x square minus y square is equal to this part, is equal to a. Second. Now, adding 1 and 2, 2x square is equal to square root of a square plus b square plus a, and x square is equal to half square root of a square plus b square plus a, and let this be h. We can just write it, suppose This is h. Is it clear? Now, subtracting 2 from 1, this from. Now, subtracting 2 from 1. So, what we are getting now? X square and x square cancels. So, we will be getting y square is equal to 1 upon 2 a square plus b square minus a, and let this be k. We have just supposed that one is h and one is k. Okay. So, this will make more easy to solve a question. Now, from this part now, we have to just take it first of all what xy is. Okay. Now, since xy is equal to half b, now we have to check, before answering we have to check what the sign for xy is or sign for b is. Now, case 1. When b is positive, which b? This part, this one, 2xy. Okay. When b is positive, this is case 1. Okay. Case 1, when b is positive. Here xy is equal to positive. This means what? X comma y are either both positive or both negative. If both are positive, result is positive, both are negative, result is negative. So, what our answer will be? What will be square root of a plus iota b? So, we can write it now, x plus iota y is equal to root h plus iota root k, or x plus iota y is equal to negative of root h, negative of iota root k. We will be getting two answers. Now, x plus iota y is what? A plus iota y is the square root of x plus iota y. So, our result will be, if b is positive, then we are getting two results, both positive or both negative. Okay. Now, case 2. When b is negative. Now, here what we are getting? X comma y, here not x comma y, x and y we can write, or xy. Xy here is negative, therefore x and y have opposite signs. Is it clear? So, what the answers will be now? We will be having now x plus iota y is equal to square root of h negative of iota square root of k, or x plus iota y equal to negative of root h positive of iota root k. So, this is the derivation for the square root of a complex.